Video doorbells make it easy to watch who's coming and going from your house, but who else might be watching those videos? Consumer Reports recently tested some of them out and found some troubling security flaws, including some video doorbells sold by the country's biggest retailers. This is from a video doorbell that's almost 3,000 miles away. Outsiders aren't supposed to have access to it, but the doorbell security was so poor that Consumer Reports researchers were able to get to it.
We were really surprised to find that anyone could walk up to one of these doorbells and take it over in a matter of seconds, and from there actually view screenshots of the doorbell potentially from thousands of miles away.
Extensive security tests revealed a number of video doorbells that have serious security flaws. So if you have one of them, you may be vulnerable to a security breach. They all use the same mobile app called unwanted. The devices CR tested are sold under the brand names Ekin and Tuck, but we found the doorbells are sold under many other brands too, like Fishbot, Rake Blue, Ando, and Luckwolf. Retailers including Amazon, Walmart, and Sears, along with Shein and Temu, sell them.
Your home is deeply personal and private. If someone is able to view your doorbell camera and see when you come and go, it presents a lot of security risks. For example, an abuser or a stalker could keep tabs on a victim, and it could create a very dangerous situation.
Experts blame the flood of cheap and secure electronics from Chinese manufacturers being sold in the U.S.
A lot of overseas manufacturers create these obscure, cheap, no-name products and then flooding marketplaces here in the U.S. with them. Retailers do very little to vet these products, and it's very easy to become a seller on one of these online marketplaces.
Consumer Reports reached out to Ekin and Tuck, but hasn't heard back. So if you have a video doorbell that uses the mobile app unwanted, and it looks like the model shown in this report, Consumer Reports recommends you disconnect it from your home's Wi-Fi and remove it from your door. They recommend using video doorbells they've tested out that have much better security from brands including Logitech, Simply Safe, and Ring. Consumer Reports also shared its findings with the Federal Trade Commission, which has the power to remove products like these from the marketplace. But the agency won't say what it will do because its investigations are private.